Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics chapter 7, and this is the exercise 7.1. So if you have any kinds of doubt related to this exercise and if you didn't understand this exercise, so don't worry about it. In the end of this video, you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. You are not have any doubt or any confusion in this exercise. Okay, so I teach mathematics from the basic onwards and I teach mathematics to the weak students. So if you have any doubt in related to this exercise, so don't worry, I teach from the basic onwards. Okay, so let's start this exercise from here, and I will take something longer time to teach that because I teach with the basic onwards, that's why. But don't worry, this exercise is going to be clear. Okay, so let's start with the first question. So here the first question is telling that out of this, which is the proper fractional, okay, number. So we have to find the proper fractional number. So before I'm going to start this first question, I want to be teach something that what is the proper, okay, now what is a proper fractional. Okay, so fraction, this is okay now. Let's run what is a proper fraction first of all here. Then after I will talk about the like proper, what is a proper fraction, and another is the improper fraction. Okay now, improper fraction, what is it? Okay, what is a proper fraction, what is a improper fractions. Then after it is like fraction, it is also there, like fractions, unlike fraction. Okay, so I hope you know about it. So let me start here. First of all, let's know about the proper fraction. So proper fraction means what, if you see in your class also, let's understand this is a 5, this is 2 and 5. So this upper part is called numerator, okay, this is called numerator, and the down part is called the denominator. Okay, if you know about it. So the upper part is called numerator, the down of this part is called as the denominator. So remember this one, because fraction is always made by the two numbers. The upper number is numerator, the down number is the denominator. Okay, so this is a, this is the our numerator and denominator. So this is a one fraction, this is a one fraction, right? Is it okay? So now let me I clear one thing to here. Let's suppose, like, how we can say that any number is proper or it is improper. So let me tell you. Let's suppose in your class or in your school, if you see your teacher conduct the exam or whatever test, if your teacher conduct a test for the 20 marks, so your teacher, your class, your math teacher conducted a test for the 20 marks. So if so in this exam, in this test, some student will get out of 20, some student will get 18, or some student will get out of 20, some student will get 19, some student will get 20 by 20. Okay, and someone also get 0 by 20 also, someone get two numbers out from 20. Okay, now so these are the numbers which is given by your teachers. Like 20 marks paper is there, your teacher is given 80 marks, someone get 19 marks out of 20, someone get 20 by 20, someone get 0 marks in this paper, and someone get it out of 20 paper, someone get 2 marks. So these are the only proper numbers. How it is proper, why, I will tell you. Just listen another example. Let's suppose your teacher conducted exam of 20 marks. Will you ever see anyone get out of 20, like anyone say no, I will get 21 marks? Let's suppose like this, I will tell you. Let's suppose you are getting out of 20 marks, you getted the 18 marks. Okay, you getted the 18 marks, and you ask it to your friend how much marks you get in the test. So your friend is telling that out of 20 marks I get it 21 marks. So will you think, is it possible? Is it not possible now? Why? Because the paper is only 20 marks. Then how you will get the 21 marks? Is it possible? Is it not possible? If let's suppose the paper is 100 marks, the exam paper is 100 marks, and if someone is telling I am getting 1 or 2 marks, is it possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because in the out of 100 you will get 100 by 100, otherwise you will get less than 100, like that only. So from here you will understand that if your teacher conducted 20 marks question paper, so in 20 marks you will get out of 20 by 20 you will get, otherwise you will get 19, 18, 0, 2 marks, like that. but will you get out of 20 you will get 20? It is possible? No, it is not possible. So generally these things what I'm telling, the numbers, this 20 is there now, after it whatever it is possible, these all are the proper numbers. You know, these all are the proper numbers. Proper numbers means what? This denominator have to be always equal to the this numerator or less than the numerator. Simply that is the only proper number, that is the only proper fractions. What I'm telling here, just understand carefully, okay na? Because this is very important to understand you, okay? What I'm telling here, just listen. In this number, in this denominator, the numerator have to be equal to the denominator, otherwise less than the denominator. Okay now, so that is the only proper fraction. Proper fraction means whatever the down number is there na, it have to be less than the upper number have to be less than the down number, otherwise equal to the down number. Like this 20, it is a proper fraction. Why? Because the 20 and 20 both are equal, so it is proper. Here if you see, this 20 and 2 is a proper fraction. Why it is a proper fraction? Because here 20 is there and the upper part is smaller, okay now, that's why. Like how your exam marks is given, like that only, okay now. So always remember, in the proper fraction, how you will find the proper fraction? If the upper number is equal or less than the down of the denominator, the down of the number, then it is a proper fraction, okay na? Otherwise it is not a proper fraction, okay na? That is the improper fraction, okay na? Like that I will take an example. Like this is 5 is there and this is 10 is there. It is a proper or not? It is a proper fraction. Why it is a proper fraction? Because this is a 10, so upper part is equal to 10 or less than 10, so it is less than 10, so then it is proper. But if I write you 11 by 10, is it a proper fraction? No, it is not a proper fraction. Why? Because this 10, like your teacher conducted exam for the 10 marks and some student get 11, it is a really true marks. He is telling lie na, so he is telling lie, it means that this is not a proper. But out of 10 you will get 5 marks. Yeah, it is possible, so this is proper. Like that only, let's suppose this is 98 and this is 100. Is it proper or improper? Let's understand like that. Your teacher conducted 100 marks paper and someone get 98 marks. It is possible. Out of 100 paper you will get 98. It is possible. It means that it is a proper. But someone telling that, sir, I will get 150 by out of 100. Is it possible? In the 100 marks paper, how you will get 150? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. That's why it is not a proper. This is not a proper fraction. So when the anything which is not a proper, that is a improper. So what we call that? This is a improper number. Why? Because this is a proper, but this is not proper na. The number which is not proper, that is the improper, okay na? Like here, out of 100 marks will you get 150? No, it is not possible. So it is proper? No, it is not proper. So if it is not proper, then it means that it is a improper, okay? Are you understand that? Okay, so now I hope you will understand the proper and improper. So like fraction is easy, both are same. Like 2 2, this is a like fraction. Like 3 3, the whatever numerator and denominator will be, it will be same. Upper number and lower number will be same. Like 5 5, this is like fraction. But unlike fraction is different. Like 4 by 3, 5 by 6, 9 by 3. These are the unlike fractions. Like fractions means both the upper part and the lower part both have to be same number. But unlike fraction, the upper and lower both are the different numbers, okay na? Understand? Now let's come to our exercise. So now let's talk see the exercise. I take a lot of time, but I already told you, but I will explain each and every question to you. So now here see, so we have to find proper and improper. So your teacher conducted exam for the 2 marks. So your teacher conducted exam for the 2 marks, and in this 2 marks someone getting the 3 marks. So it is proper? No, it is not proper. Why? Because it is not possible only. Because in the 2 marks paper, how you will get 3 marks? In the out of, if your teacher conducted 10 marks in 100 marks paper, in 100 marks paper you will get 100 by 100. It is possible. Otherwise you will get 99 or less than 100. Is it possible? But in the 100 marks paper, how you will get 1 or 2 marks? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Like that here in the 2 marks paper, how you will get the 3 marks? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. It means that this is a not a proper. So what we will write? Not proper fraction. This is a not a proper fraction. So not a proper fraction. Okay na? So if it is a not a proper fraction, it means that this is a improper. Okay na? Understand like that. So here you see this numerator is there na? This is called denominator. Look the denominator and look the numerator. So here we seen that denominator is a smaller, numerator is greater, so it is not possible. Okay na? So whenever you are getting confused, like it only see, like your teacher conducted 5 marks question paper and someone getting 2 marks, so it is possible. So it means that this is our proper fraction. This is our proper fraction. Why? Because your teacher conducted exam for 5 marks and someone getting 2 marks, it is possible. Okay, but out of 5 marks paper, if someone getting 6 marks, it is possible, not possible. So okay, understand? Okay, so here you will remember like that. Just see the denominator is then this one, this number, this is called denominator. Denominator have to be always it have to be greater or equal to the numerator. Okay now, if like here if you see this denominator is greater than 2 or not, yes it is greater, that's why it is proper. Otherwise here if you see this is the this is called the denominator. Here denominator is not greater than the numerator. Here this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay now, so here denominator is not greater than the numerator, that's why it is not a proper. But here the denominator is greater than the numerator, that's why. But otherwise you can simply understand like that. Like this is a 7 marks, your teacher conducted a test for 7 marks and you are getting 1 marks, so it is a proper fraction. Why it is proper? Because it is possible you will get out of 7 marks you will get 1 marks, it is possible. But out of 7 marks, if you telling you are getting 10 marks, it is possible? No, it is not possible. Okay na? Right. So let's talk about this one. So here this is like your teacher conducting exam for 3 marks and someone student write I will get 8 marks. Is it possible? No. If one question is for 3 marks, so you will get last 3 marks, full marks you will get, otherwise you will get 2 marks, otherwise 1 marks, otherwise you will get 0 marks. But out of 3 marks, how you will get 8 marks? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. So it means that it is a proper. No, it is not proper, because it is not only possible, because out of 3 marks you can't get 8 marks. So it is not possible. So it means that this is a not a proper. So this is a not a proper. Okay na? Not a proper fraction you can write here. Okay na? Fraction. So here also you write the fraction. Okay, understand? Right. So let's talk about this improper fraction. So improper, I already told you. Improper means what? Which is not proper, that is the improper. So let's check it out. So this is a proper or improper. So here if you see out of 7 marks, if you get 2 marks, so it is proper only na. This is proper because it is possible. Out of 7 marks you will get 2 marks. It is possible. It means that this is a proper. So like, but here in this question, which are the following is improper fraction? But in this question we have to find a improper. So this is a improper? No, this is not a improper. Why? Because this is a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction. Why? Because out of 7 marks you will get 2. It is possible. But out of 7 marks will you get 8 marks? No, it is not possible. So this is a proper. This is improper. This is not a proper, so that's why it is improper. But here it is a proper na, so that's why it is proper number cannot be improper. Okay na? So that's why it is not a improper. This is not a improper. Okay, right, because my pen is not working here. Improper fraction. Okay, once you write. Okay, right, here let's see. Out of 7 marks, if someone getting out of 11 marks, if someone is getting 7 marks, it is proper or not? Yes, it is proper. So it means that it is also not a improper fraction, because this is a proper fraction. So proper fraction will be improper? No. So this is a proper. So this is not a improper. Why? Because this is a proper number. This is a proper number. So if it is proper number, so how it can be improper? It cannot be. That's why. So this is not a improper. So here we will write, okay, this is not a improper. Okay, just write like that. Okay, now let's look at this number. Again, out of 11 marks, someone getting the 9 marks. It is also proper. So if it is proper, so it will be improper. No. So this is also not a improper. This is also not a improper. Okay, now let's see here. So one student is there, your teacher conducted 2 marks for one question. Okay, 2 marks, and he's telling that in out of 2 marks I am getting the 13 marks. Is it a proper? No, it is not a proper. It means that this is a improper number. This is a improper. This is a improper. This is a improper. This is a improper fraction. Why it is a improper? It is because this denominator is smaller, this denominator is smaller and numerator is greater. Okay, now that's why for the checking out the improper number, always check if the denominator is greater than the numerator. If denominator is greater than the if nominator is greater than the denominator, that is the only proper improper fraction. Why? So you can check simply. Okay, if your teacher is conducting 2 marks exam, and if someone is telling out of 2 marks I getting 13 marks, so it is wrong only. It is telling wrong. So it is not a proper. It means that if it is not a proper, then it is a improper. So that's why, like out of 3 marks, will someone get 7 marks? It is possible. Out of 3 marks, will you get 7 marks? No, it is not possible only. So if it is not possible, then it is improper. Okay, na? So that's why it is a improper. That's called the improper fraction. Okay, that is called the improper fraction. Okay, this is f. Okay, understand? Right. So now let's talk about, okay, so now let's talk about the another question. So write, okay, so this question is telling that write which are the above improper fraction about the would be line on the number line. Okay, so we have to check which is a improper. These are the 2 improper numbers, like this is a improper and this is a improper. What are those numbers? 13/2 or 7/3? So the improper is 13/2, and what are those numbers? 13/2 and 7/3, and 7/2, 7/3 na, 7/3. Okay, okay. So these are the only 2 numbers which are the improper. So this question is telling you, will these numbers, will 13/2 or 7/3, will it represent on the number line? So you will say, sir, how you will represent? Like if number is there, like 2 is there, then we can represent in number line. If like 2.3 is also there, like this is a 1, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So you will say, sir, if it is 2.3 is also there, we will represent a number line where 1, 2, 3. Here we will represent 2.3. But sir, this is 13/2. Where we will represent this one? So you have doubt like that. Okay, so you can do one thing here. You can divide this. Just take the 2, and this 13 is there now. Take the 13 and divide this number. After dividing, whatever value is coming now, put that number on the number line like that. This is 13/2. You have to represent a number line. So do one thing. Just take 2 and divide by the 13. So 2 6 are 12. 1 will be left. So 1 is left now. If you put point here, if you put a 1 point, 1 dot, you can say, then you will get 0. 1 0 number you will get. So 2 5 are 10. Okay, this is cancel. Okay na? So what we get? You get 6.5. It means that we get one number. When I divided 13/2, we get it the one number, that is 6.5. 6.5 we can easily plot on the number. I will tell you. Like that also we will do the same thing here. We will just take the 3 and we will divide with 7. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 1 will come. Okay now, here 1 will come. Okay, now after that just put a dot, 1 0 will come. So 3 3s are 9. 1 will come also. Then again you will take 0. Why? Because if you put already point here, so you will take 0. So after that you will get 9. Then again 1 you will get, like that 3 3 3. So it is continuously going like that. 2 3 3 3 3 3. It is continuously going. So do one thing. just take one number 2 and 2.3, just take this one only, okay na. 2 is fixed, in this 3 take only 1 3, okay na. So it is become so it will become 2.3. so what will it become? So it will become 2.3. is it clear? Okay, so if it is clear to you, then let's write this one. So where this number will be come in the number line. So let's see, just like that. If I this is a one line, okay, and just forgot this, and this is a 0, this is a 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, so something 1 is something longer. Okay, so let's suppose this is okay. So this is the hour. Okay. Okay, so right. So in this one 6.5, where will 6.5 will come? One number we are extra we have to take. Okay na? Okay. This is 7. Okay na? Let's understand this question. Just wait a minute again. Okay, not that, this one only. Okay, so now let's see. So here we are looking at 6.5. so here 6 is there, so here is one number is there, like 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, like something. So 6.5 where it's come, it will come 6.5 will be here in the middle of that, between 6 and 7. So where this number will lie? This number will lie between 6 and 7. So this number lie between 6 and 7. Why? Because this is between of that only lies, na? Right. So now let's see 2.3. This is 2 and okay, this is 2. So between that, here it is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. If you have a scale, you can see it there. Okay, now so this is 2.3 will come here. So where this 2.3 is coming, it is coming between of 2 and 3. So this number will come between 2 and 3. Understand? Right. So I hope you will understand this question. Okay, nothing in this one. I just divide that and I get 6.5. When I divide this, we get 2.3. So where you get 6.5 in the number line, between of 6 and 7, and 2.3 between of 2 and 3. Okay, that's one only over. So now let's talk about the pick out the mixed fraction. So we have to pick out the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction, let me discuss with the mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? So mixed fraction is always looking like that. This is 2 and this is 4. So this is a actually proper fraction, and if you put like that, this become the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction have this particular number, this extra number. Mixed fraction always, this is a mixed number, this is a mixed fraction. No, if I put like that, it is a mixed fraction. Now it is a mixed fraction. If I talk like this is 5, this is 5, this is 2, it is a mixed fraction. No, it is not a mixed fraction, right? This number, this extra number always in the left hand side. Okay na? So mixed fraction is this is a mixed fraction. Yeah, it is a mixed fraction. Okay na? So this is a generally a mixed fraction. So how you can find a mixed fraction? Like sometimes someone tell you like 2 like this, I will tell you. Sometimes what will happen, this is like 2 and 1 is there na. Let's suppose this is 3. So someone will always tell you to convert the mixed fraction into the normal fractions, like proper or improper. Okay, now convert this mixed fraction. So how you can convert this mixed fraction? Simply what you do, just multiply this number. So like you are looking this 2 and 3, this one 2 and 3, multiply that. When you multiply, you will get 6. After multiplying this number, you get 6. After the 6, the upper number you are looking now, add that number here. So when you add this number here, you will get 8. So you will write like that 8, and what is the down? 2 is there na, write the 2. So this is a conversion of the mixed fraction into the proper fraction. Okay na, proper or improper fraction. Okay na, understand? Like this mixed fraction is there na, how you can convert this mixed fraction normally, like that you will convert this one. Okay na, and again I will tell you how you can convert this. I will tell you here how you can convert this number into the mixed fraction. Okay, again let's see another example. Another example is like that. This is 4, this is 2, and this is 3. So convert that one also. Otherwise another question, 5, 2 and 3. These two questions. Let's start. Okay na. I will start with that question. Okay na. I will start with this question. Okay. So let me start with this question. So if you see this question, 2, 4 and 2. Right here 4 and 2. Just multiply. This 4 and 2 will multiply always. So 4 and 2 it is going to be 8. Okay, you will get 8. After the getting 8, add the 3 on that one. Add the 3 in this 8. You will get 11. So write simply 11. And whatever down is 4, write the 4 directly. Simple. So what you did here, you did simply, you did it 4 2s are, you multiply 4 2s are 8, you get 8. After the 8 you added this 3, 8 plus 3 11. So 11 by 4 you written simply like that. Here you can also do. So here what you can do, multiply this 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13. Okay, 5 is there 5. How you did this? Simply this is given 5 plus 2, 5 and 2, just multiply this one 5 and 2. Always this number, this and this number, this portion is always multiplying. 5 2s are, it is going to be 10. After 10, whatever the upper is there now, add in this one. So if you add, this is going to be 13. So I write 13. What is down? 5 5. Write 5. Simple. So that's, you can change this one. Okay na? So you can do like this. You can convert the mixed fraction into the proper fraction like that. But now one twist is here. If someone is telling you convert the mixed fraction, now if someone is telling you convert, like this number is given 2y, okay, no it is not like that. If someone is telling that 12 is there and 3 is there, convert it into the mixed fraction. So how you will convert 12 and 3 into the mixed fraction? Simply nothing in this, just take this 3 and take it this 12 and divide it. So how you can divide like that? So this is 3 and this is 12 now. Divide like that. 2 4s are 3 4s are 12. It is going to be cancelled. Okay, so how you can convert this one? So like that you can convert. So simple, just 3 is there now, put this 3, whatever this is there now, put it in the down. Okay, you put it like that. And what is here? 4 is here now, put the 4 here. What is here? Nothing, 0. So put the 0 here. Simply this is the only how you can convert. You are not understand, I will tell another example. Let's suppose this is 8 and this is 3. I'll just take another example. This is 7 and this is 2. Okay, now I am telling you convert this into the mixed fraction. How you will convert? Just take, divide 2 and 7, just divide. 2 3s are 6, 1 will left. Simple. First write this 2 down. Write this 2 down. First write this 2 in the down. That's like, how is 2? 2, like simply. After that, what is this number? This number is there, not this. Write this number here. Okay, after that, what number? This one. So write this one. So first you have to write this one. Second, okay now, first you have to write this one. After that, second you have to write this one here, and the third you have to write this number in the other. Okay, so like that you can convert that one. Again I will take another example. Like this is given 15 and this is given not 4, take it 6. Okay now, and convert this one. So what you can do, just 6 and 15, 6 2s are 12 and 3 will be left. So what you can do, just here 6 write, because here 6, here 6. So you can write like that. Otherwise here 6 is there, write 6 in the down. Then after second means this one where you will write, you will write here. After that, this number write in the above. Okay, simply. So it is become the mixed fraction. So you can check like that also. 3 into 4 12, 12 plus 0, that is going to be 12 by 3. Okay, now here you can check. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, so it is going to be 7 by 2. Like that, here you can check. 6 plus 2, 6 into 2, that's 12, 12 plus 3, that is going to be 15. What is answer? 6, right there 6. So it is over. So like that you can do that one. Okay now, so let me I tell you which is a mixed fraction here. So here by looking at that only you can say which is mixed or which is not. So here this question is telling pick out the mixed fraction from this. So which is mixed fraction? This is a mixed fraction? No, not a mixed fraction. So this is not a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Yeah, it is a. So you can write like that. This is a mixed fraction. So you can write like this, mixed fraction. Okay, now this is mixed fraction. So this is a mixed fraction? Not mixed fraction. Okay, this is a mixed fraction. Yes, this is a mixed fraction. Okay now, so you can write mixed fraction. Okay, understand? I hope you will understand. This is not a mixed, this is a mixed fraction and this is a mixed fraction. Over? Right. So I already, what I teach you, it is going to ask you that question again. You, that whatever I teach you, that is only asking to you here. Let's see. Convert the following improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Whatever number, whatever improper is there now, we have to convert into the mixed fraction. You just forgot this improper, whatever. Just forgot this line. Forgot. You just remember one thing only. This question is telling to convert the into the mixed fraction. We have to do only one thing. We have to just convert this into the mixed fraction. So how you can convert? I already teach you. What I teach you? Okay, what I teach you? I teach you that whenever it is telling to convert, just take this one like 3 and 7. Okay, so now what you can do here, 3 2s are 6 1. So what you, how you can write this one? Simple beta, you can do simply this one. Okay, just what you can do, just take the 3 into down, first one, second is 2 is there na, write the 2 here, then 1, write the 1 here. Simply like that you can convert. And if you want to check this is right or wrong, so you can do like that. You, if you want to check, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, so that's over, 7 by 3. Now if you want to convert this one, so this one you have to convert. So how you can convert this? Simple, take the 2, this down is 2 na, and divide with the 11. Okay, divide with the 11. So in the 2 table 11 is there? No, 10 is there. 2 5s are 10, 1 will be left. Okay, so what you can do right now, just 2 is there na, write the 2 here. Okay, after it, this is 5, write the 5 here. This is 1, write the 1 above. Simply, nothing you have to do. This number if you want to convert, just take the number and divide. Okay, whatever the down number is there, divide with that. I divided, and what we get in the 11 it is divisible by 5, in the 10 times 1. So I write 2 first, I written 2, secondly I written here, and this one here I written. Like that you can see this one. Just divide the 4 and 9. 4 2s are 8, 1 will be left. So what you will write? First we are going to write first 4. So write the first 4, then after 2 write the 2, then after 1 write the 1. Simple. Now let's do this one. So here what we can do, just 4 and 27. So here in the 4 table 6 times 24 is there. Okay na? And it is going to be cancelled and 3. So what we are going to write first this one, first this, secondly this one here, thirdly this one upper. Simply. So you can do like this. Okay na? You can just make, you can convert this into the mixed fraction like that only. Okay na? I hope you are understanding this. Okay, right. So half an hour I'm speaking, and I don't have that much habit to speak a lot of, that's right. Okay, so is it clear? So you can match your answer with your textbook and whatever it is there, it is same. Okay, right. So I hope you know better. Now let's talk about fifth question. So the fifth question is telling that convert the following mixed fraction. Okay, whatever mixed fraction you're looking, these are the mixed fractions. This one also mixed fraction. Okay, we have to convert mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Just simply don't understand anything, just understand that one. These are the mixed fraction, we have to convert the mixed fraction. Simply, nothing is there. This is a very easy question. Let me tell you how it is a easy question. You will say how it is easy question, explain me. Let's. So what I told you previously, if you want to mix that, just take this one, 7 into 1, that is 7. Okay, 7, and just add this one. So what it is going to 9. So just write, and what is down? 7, write the 7. Simple, it's over. What I did here, I did nothing here. I just taken 7 into 1. I multiply 7 into 1. So 7 into 1, when I multiply, I get answer 7. After the multiplying this, I added this number. So I added 7 plus 2, it's 9. I written 9. What is down? 7. I written 7 down. Just simple. Over. This question is over. Now we will do same thing here also. Like 8 3s are 24. So you can multiply 8 3s are 24. You multiplied. Okay. Now what is above? 2 is there now, add 2 with this one, add 2, what it is going, 26. So what is our answer? Our answer is 26. What is down? 8. Write the 8. Simple. Nothing you have to do, just simple. What you can do here, just take, just simply here, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Simple. 26 by and down 8 niche, whatever it is down in it, I written 8. Simple. Over. Now you can do this one. So you can do like this. 9 into 10, that's 90. Okay, if you multiply 9 into 10, that is going to be 90. Okay, after the 90, add this 2 here, add this 2, it is going to be 92. So simple. What will be the answer? Answer will be 92 by 9. How it is going to be? Simply what I did here nothing. I multiply 9 into 10, that's 90. 90 plus 2, 92. 92 by 9. Over. Now this is given. 9 into 8, 72. Plus 7, that's going to be 79. So what we will write? Write 79 by 9. How you can write this one? Simple. Nothing you have to do. Just multiply. 9 into 8, multiply. It is 72. 72 plus 7. 72 plus 7. If you multiply, if you add, it is going to be 79. I written 79 above. And what will be down? 9. Simple. Over. So these are our answers. Okay now. So these are our answers, and I hope you will understand this one. So well, overall, this exercise is totally completed here only. Okay now, so this exercise is totally ended here. Whatever in this exercise, everything is clear. If you have any kinds of doubt in this exercise, like in this exercise 7.1, if you didn't understand the first bit or the second bit, you just write the comment in this exercise 7.1, I didn't understand the first bit or second bit or whatever question you didn't understand. Tell me, I will explain that question again to you, because mathematics is just knowing the process. Okay, mathematics is all about the solving the problems. Okay, so it will happen sometimes. Some will understand my words, some will not understand my words. Okay, so it will happen. Okay now, so whatever I'm explaining, it will happen like somebody understands, somebody didn't understand. But according to me, I did my best. But if you have any doubt, so please don't worry, you can comment. I will explain it again to you, because I'm here to teach you mathematics. Okay now, not just showing the exercise solution. No, I am here to teach you the mathematics. I want that whatever our student is there in Telangana, whatever the student, all students have to be strong in mathematics. This is my dream. Okay now, so you can ask the question if you have a doubt, right? So let's meet into the next video. Jai Hind.